Hello friends, Jeffy here and welcome to my corner and welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Now we all worked with putty one time or another and we're probably going to work a lot more with putty if you're a modeler. And there are a lot of good brands out there that generate a very good product. Like for instance, we have the Squadron putty, if you can find it still, was a good one. We have my favorite here is the Mia putty. We also have the version of AK Interactive. Vallejo has a putty. And also, of course, I like to work with Epoxy Sculpt, which is like a milliput. It's water-based, but it functions really well as a filler or a putty. But what do you do when you don't have any putty, or when the putty that you have is either bad or turned rock hard, or you can't use it anymore? What do you use? Now recently a fellow modeler reminded me of a trick I used to use like 30 years ago, and I completely forgot about it until he reminded me, and that is making a putty out of talcum powder and superglue. Now when you mix the two together, you can easily make a putty or a filler that you can apply to your modeler. Now the best thing is to use a superglue that's either medium or a thick one, not really the liquid one, but a medium or a thick one, so you have a little bit more time to make the mix. So let's show real quick how to go about. So first of all, we take a cup, and I'm using a cup here, but you can easily use like a file card, or you can use like a ceramic tile. Any platform will work. But just to contain the mess, let's put this in a cup. So we put some talcum powder in there. I'm not going to make a lot. I'm just going to do it for demo purposes. I'm just going to contain it to a little bit of like an amount. And of course, we add our super glue. Again, not going to make a lot. So best thing is to take a brush and start mixing it. And you can already see that it starts to become thicker. It's like, and you can add as much or as little talcum powder. But just for demo purposes, as I said, we're just going to make a little bit. And there you go. That's all you need to do. Now you have to work quick because it's super glue. It dries very fast. So I have a little model here, or at least piece of a model. So let's say that we have to apply a filler or on the seam. We have a gap here, or we can even use it as a filler right here. We'll put some in that cavity. Put some in the cavity here. Like this. And now we just wait until it dries, until it gets rock hard. So let's give it a dry for about 5 minutes. So now we can start sanding. First with a rough sanding stick, a coarse sanding stick. And it's sand just like putty. And even if it's used to function as a filler, it also, because of the super glue, will give you an extra bond on the piece you're working on. And there you have it. So my advice is to use a super glue that's either a medium or a thicker one, so you have a little bit more time for application. But that's all it takes. Very simple and effective. So that was it, guys. Hope you liked it. Please do not forget to subscribe on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe or like or share us on Facebook. And of course, most importantly, go to our website at www.jeffvcornerstore.com for all your future modeling purposes. But that was it for now. I'll see you guys next time with another Quick Tip Tuesday, or definitely on Sunday at 7 o'clock Central Time for our Facebook live chat. You all take care. Jeff V here, signing off.